I'm Coach Ray, and today we're breaking this topic down completely. How to choose the right gym membership, the smart way, not the rushed way. Because picking the wrong gym wastes your money and kills your motivation fast. So let's go A to Z, every single thing you need to check before you sign. First, understand there isn't just one type of gym. There are several, and they all fit different needs. Budget gyms are cheap, no frills, and perfect if you're just starting your fitness journey. Mid-range gyms step it up with better equipment, cleaner spaces, and more class options. And boutique gyms, like CrossFit boxes or yoga studios, go deep into one specific style of training. Rule number 1 that people always ignore: location and commute time matter more than you think. If the gym is more than 15 or 20 minutes away, be honest, will you really go every day? Distance quietly kills discipline. The closer the gym, the easier it is to stay consistent. So pick a gym near your home or your workplace. Convenience keeps you showing up. Before you sign anything, always ask for a free trial or a guest pass first. Use that trial to walk the whole floor, test the machines, and feel the actual vibe of the place. Notice if the equipment feels modern and well kept, or old, squeaky, and falling apart. If the trial feels right, that's a strong sign this gym could actually be a good long-term fit. Next comes the paperwork. Always check the contract length before you put your signature on anything. Some gyms lock you into 12 or even 24 months, so know exactly what you're committing to. Watch out for hidden fees too, enrollment charges, annual maintenance costs, and sneaky class add-ons. These small charges add up fast, so always ask the staff for the full, honest breakdown of costs. And always, always check the cancellation policy before you commit to any membership plan. Life changes, a new job, an injury, a move, and you need a clear, fair way out. Ask specifically how much notice you need to give, and if there's any penalty for canceling early. A gym that's upfront about cancellation terms is usually a gym that treats its members fairly. Now look closely at equipment quality and variety. This is where a lot of gyms disappoint people. Are the machines modern, well-maintained, and actually working, or old, rusted, and constantly out of order? You also want variety: free weights, machines, cardio equipment, and functional training space all in one place. If the gym has everything you need to grow, that's a big green light to move forward. Cleanliness and hygiene matter more than most people realize when picking a gym. Check for wipe stations, clean mats, and machines that are actually maintained between uses. A gym with poor ventilation and lingering odor is often a sign of poor overall management. A clean gym isn't just nicer to be in, it's genuinely safer and healthier for your training. Here's a smart move almost nobody does: visit the gym during your actual planned workout time. That way, you see exactly how crowded it really gets, not just how it looks on a quiet afternoon. If every machine is taken during your hours, that convenient membership suddenly isn't so convenient anymore. Matching the gym's busy hours to your own schedule saves you real frustration later. Now, check the trainers and staff. Their qualifications actually make a real difference in your results. Ask if trainers are certified, and notice if the staff feels approachable and genuinely helpful. Good staff will guide your form, correct your mistakes, and keep you motivated when things get hard. If the team feels knowledgeable and friendly, that's a strong sign of a well-run gym. Check if group classes are included: spin, HIIT, yoga, because these add serious extra value. Classes keep training exciting, push your limits, and introduce you to people with similar goals. Ask for the full class schedule so you know exactly what's offered and when. A gym packed with great classes often ends up being worth every extra rupee or dollar. Don't forget the amenities. Lockers, showers, and parking might seem small, but they matter daily. Clean, secure lockers and working showers make your whole gym routine so much smoother. And if parking is a nightmare every single day, that alone can quietly kill your motivation. Small comforts like these are exactly what keep a membership feeling worth it long term. Always compare membership costs across at least 3 different gyms before you make a final decision. Don't just look at the monthly number. Factor in fees, contract length, and everything included. Sometimes a slightly higher price gets you far better equipment, staff, and overall experience. Pick the gym that gives you the best real value, not just the lowest sticker price. Also ask about freeze or pause options, for when you travel, get injured, or take a break. Many gyms offer family plans or corporate discounts, but they won't always mention it up front. So just ask directly. You might unlock a much better deal than the one on the wall. These small flexibility options can save you real money and stress over the course of a year. Before committing, read online reviews. Real member experiences tell you far more than any sales pitch. Look for patterns. Repeated complaints about cleanliness, crowding, or billing issues are a serious red flag. And always visit the gym in person. Never sign up based only on photos or a phone call. Seeing it with your own eyes is the single best way to know if it's truly the right fit. Now let's talk advantages. A good gym gives you structure, accountability, and real access to serious equipment. It also gives you community. Training around motivated people naturally pushes you to work harder. A solid membership keeps you consistent, especially on days when your own motivation runs low. Honestly, the right gym can completely transform your habits, your energy, and your results. But there are real disadvantages too. Long contracts can trap you even after your goals change. Unused memberships quietly waste money every single month, whether you show up or not. And some gyms oversell their features and ads, but completely fail to deliver in reality. That's exactly why doing your homework first matters more than any flashy sales pitch. Let's talk about the mistakes people make. Mistake 1. Signing up without ever visiting the gym first. Mistake 2. Choosing the cheapest option without checking quality. And mistake 3. Ignoring the commute completely. Mistake 4. Not reading the contract's fine print, which is exactly where hidden traps usually hide. And mistake 5. Signing impulsively under sales pressure. Salespeople are trained to rush you, so don't fall for it. Here are my top tips. Tip 1. Make a checklist of your must-haves before you even walk in. Tip 2. Negotiate the price. Most gyms actually have more flexibility than people realize. Tip 3. Always ask for a guest pass or an extended trial before committing to anything. Tip 4. Compare at least 2 or 3 gyms before making your final decision. Now some important precautions. Precaution 1. Read every single line of the fine print carefully. Precaution 2. Check the refund and cancellation clauses closely before you sign anything at all. Precaution 3. Avoid long-term contracts if you're not 100% sure this is the right gym. Taking these precautions seriously now saves you a lot of regret and wasted money later. If a traditional gym membership isn't right for you, remember building a home gym is a solid alternative. Outdoor workouts are another great option. Completely free, effective, and refreshingly simple. Fitness apps can also guide your training with structured plans, anytime and anywhere you are. Honestly, combining a gym membership with these alternatives often gives you the very best results. So here's your final decision framework. Check location, cost, equipment, trainers, and every contract term carefully. Weigh the price against what you're actually getting, not just the number on the price tag. And most importantly, trust your gut after visiting the place in person. Your instinct is usually right. Choose smart, not fast. This decision affects your consistency for months or even years ahead. Investing in the right membership is really investing in your future self and your long-term health. Don't rush it. Don't fall for hype. And don't ignore the small details along the way. The right gym, chosen the right way, can genuinely change the entire direction of your fitness journey. Take your time, do it right, and set yourself up to actually succeed this time. If this helped you even a little, smash that like button. It really helps this channel grow. And subscribe for more real, no-fluff fitness talk, just like this, every single week. Drop a comment below and tell me exactly which type of gym you're leaning towards right now. Your feedback genuinely shapes what we cover next, so don't be shy. Let me know. All right, fam, that's everything you need to choose the right gym membership the smart way. I'll catch you in the very next video with more real, practical fitness advice. Until then, stay consistent, stay focused, and keep showing up for yourself every single day. Stay strong, fam. This is Coach Ray, and let's get it.